Hey guys, welcome back to MaxTube. So today is just going to be a quick video how to get Gmail, Google Calendar, and Google Contacts working on the iPod. So this will work on any device running iOS 6. I know it will work on 7, 8, and 9, and 10. But I do not know about anything under 6, but I'm just going to assume it works on 5. If you're trying to make it work on anything under 6, you can just try this tutorial because you won't really mess up anything. So first, we're going to go into Settings, and then we're going to scroll down to Mail, Contacts, and Calendars. So then we're going to click Add Account, and we're going to do Gmail. So we're just going to put in our name and email, but not the password. I'll tell you why here in a second. So after we have our name and email typed in, we will need an app password. So you're just going to pull up Google, and you're just going to type in Gmail app password. So we're going to go to this sign in with app passwords. There will also be a link in the description in case you don't want to go through all of this. But we're just going to go to create and manage your app passwords here. We're going to follow that hyperlink. And then we're going to put in our password to verify it's us. And then it should lead us to this page. So I actually already had one created for my iPod, so I'm just going to X those out. So we're just going to type in, like, that was it telling me I logged in. So we're just going to type in, like, iPod Gmail for this app password. So we're going to click create, and it's going to pop up with a password that you cannot see because it's my password, and that is what you will put for the password section. So now we're just going to click next, and it should verify all the details, and we're just going to turn on all of these. Well, turn on the ones you want, of course, but I'll turn on all of these usually. So the way the notes works is it makes a note, and then if you want to access it on your modern device, you would go to your gmail.com, and then it would be in like a little notes section, so it's kind of confusing. So to add the Google Contacts, we're going to go to Add Account, and we're going to scroll down and click Other and Add Card Dive Account. So I'm just going to prove to y'all that I have no contacts on my iPod. Right here, I do not have any contacts at all. And we're going to type in for the server, contacts.google.com. And for the username, we're going to put our email. And then we're going to have to generate another app password. So I'm just going to name this one iPod Contacts. And we're going to click create, and it should give us a new app password, and that's what you will put for the password field. So now that you have all of your information typed in for the card dive, you're going to hit next. By the way, you cannot turn on app passwords if you do not have any type of two-step verification set up on your Google account. So you do have to have two-step verification if you want to add an app password. I had to turn on two-step verification because I didn't have it on. So now we should be able to go into our contacts, and we should have a bunch of contacts. And they will take a while to appear, but they will appear, and all of them are there. So after you follow all these steps, your Gmail should be working. So you just go into your Mail app, your Google Contacts will be working. You just go into your Contacts app, and your calendar will be working. You might have to turn some on and turn some off, but you just go into the iOS Calendars app. Hope this helps. Bye!